Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope all of you are fine and following the SOPs as well. Today is Wednesday, 17th March 2021, and it's lecture for 8th class English lecture. Myself, Ania. So, we are going to start our first lesson, unit number 1, Torrents of the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And the topic is how to make nouns from verbs. You people are well familiar to the method of translation as well. Whenever we start our lesson, we always give first priority to the learning outcomes. From learning outcomes, we come to know which bullet points we are going to read out in the lesson. So, first of all, we have to read it very well. After completing this lesson, students will be able to. I am a teacher, so I am saying that students will be able. But whenever the students are reading this line, so you have to say that after completing this lesson, we will be able to. So, next one is making of nouns from the verbs. Identify and use suffix. Change sentences into negative and interrogative. So, how can we make nouns from the verbs? Let's have some explanation that how can we make a noun from a verb. Adding suffix. Suffix is something like which we add the word which comes after the root word. Add ans or ans to verbs. A wide variety of verbs can be changed to nouns with the addition of the suffixes. कि जब भी एक वर्ड होगा like एक verb word है, here example of ans or ans, so we explain it. अटेंड हाजिर होना या हाजिरी लगाना, ठीक है. So it is about the verb which is something happening. Action words are called verb. You people are well familiar to the word verb and nouns. So whenever we say attend is a verb, and when we make it ance, attendance, hazri, then it becomes a noun. So a verb change into a word noun, attendus. Then the addition of the suffixes ans or ans. For example, the verb appear means zahir hona, can become appearance, zahir, ठीक है, zahri. The verb resist muzahmat, can become resistance. So these are the three examples given in this slide, that using of or addition of ans in the root word attend, appear. Is it clear? Next, let's have some more examples. Here is the addition of meant, ment, meant. So first one is excitement. Excite is a root word, then here we add meant. Is it clear? When we add a suffix in Urdu we called lahka, like prefix sabke, suffix lahke. Then here example of achievement. Next, encouragement. Next, meant, encouragement. Meant. Argument. Embarrassment. Here are more example of from noun to verbs. Depend, इन्हसार करना, डिपेंडेंस इन्हसार, correspond, correspond, correspondence, correspondence, exist, existence, prefer, preference, differ, difference. Next we have some more example. Asian, this is the suffix Asian. When we add a suffix to a root word verb, the addition of suffix in a verb, it becomes a noun. So let's have some example of shun. Combination, like you have root word combine, ठीक है. Then we have a suffix tion, combination. Confirm, confirmation. Hesitate, hesitate, hesitation. Explain, explanation. Imagination, imagine, imagination. Organize, organization. Is it clear? I hope all of you have understood it very well and with full of concentration. So let's have some more example of nouns from verbs. So here is a first word, appoint. First word is appoint, मुकर्रर करना. Then it becomes with a word suffix ment, appointment. Next word is approve, approval becomes noun. Arrive, पहुंचना, arrival. Ascend, ascent. You people can contrast here ascend, ascent. So you can also focus on my sound d and t, t, d, ascend, ascent, ठीक है. So when we pronounce it, we call it ascend, ascent. Assure, assurance. Attend, attention. Attract, attraction. Bear, bear. Birth, bear. Here R is silent. Birth, bear, birth. Behave, behavior, behave, behavior. Believe, believe, belief. You can contrast my sound like believe ka sound. Then here is belief. We are I'm producing the sound in belief. Okay, first one is believe, second is belief. So these are some nouns from the verbs we learned today, what we have discussed, which is nouns from the verbs. So you people are given a home task, as we know that these are from your learning outcomes of unit number 1. So your home task is understand nouns and verbs, also make 10 words of nouns from verbs from chapter number 1, tolerance of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Till then, Allah Hafiz.